Where you? What? There you go. There he goes. Morning. I'm sitting with my panting dog. Just doing a quick little video today. Looks like I'm completely surrounded by nature. But in reality, I'm pretty much right in the center of town here in Merrill, Wisconsin. These are the Lions Hill Steps that probably a lot of people have either forgotten about or just don't know about. And these Lions Hill steps here are an amazing workout. I do it this week. I've been doing it every morning. I've been running 1.8 miles in the morning, and then I've been doing these steps halfway through it. And just to let you know how long these steps are, it's pretty big. It's about 3.5, maybe 4 stories tall. Yeah, easily. And the steps go from all the way down there down to that sign down there. It actually does a kind of an angle towards that way. And it's still actually, I'm only about 3/4 of the way right now. And it continues going up that way for about maybe another 15-20 steps. So every time I come out here, the deeper we get into summer, the more and more beautiful it looks, because right now the steps are pretty much like engulfed by wildlife and flowers and stuff, and it is just so cool that it probably gets like this every year, and that not that many people even know about it. And I think that if you're in the area and you're looking for some sort of wildlife kind of escape or something to do, you should definitely come up to these steps here and just walk up them or walk down them, whatever you prefer, or run up them or run down them. Just because it's something to do, and it's really beautiful up here. And even the smells, I'm like, this really smells like a forest right where I'm sitting right now. It's kind of crazy. But I just wanted to put up a quick video, and I think, you know, what would be cool is if Randy, if you're watching, my good friend Tenzo Roku, you should come out to this park here and these steps here and do some parkour, because these steps look like you could probably hurt yourself pretty bad on these, which I know when you think of a place that you can hurt yourself, you get pretty excited. So this is definitely a place where you could get a concussion or a fractured bone or something. So Randy, this might just be right up your alley. So anyway, I was just doing a quick video. I brought my camera with today, showing off this place, and my dog just jumped into the plants. What you doing, Bogues? Bogey, where you going? Get back up here. Good job. Alright guys, till next time. Later. Come on, folks.